Hi, I just got back from Sprinkle Trinkle Town, and if you don't know what that is, it's an event that was hosted by Tabatai and Unibo. Huge thanks to both of them for organizing such a fun artist-centric event. I wanted to make this video just talking about my experience as a convention slash event artist, how much I make, also like a mini vlog about my experience there. I do want to do a haul, so it's kind of like a lot of things in this video, which is new since most of my videos are like cozy draw with me's or sketchbook tours. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I do a lot of things. If you're used to watching my other content, that's okay too. This is new, so let me know what you guys think. If you are part of the Artist Alley community, if you're interested in getting into tabling, or if this is just like a new thing and you can just listen to me yap about it. I also want to talk about the breakdowns of costs, like how much it is to fly there, to rent hotels, the expense of all the products that I'm buying, taxes that you'll have to pay. I also have a haul. I feel like before I go to these events, I'm always like, oh, I don't need anything, especially I just made a video about how I have so much stationery and I shouldn't get any more, but all the art at these events are just so good, so I can't help but buy more stationery. I do want to show my haul. I have them all in this bag that I fit in. This bag is from Teddy Blake. It's a handmade bag company in Italy. Teddy Blake sent me this bag and I chose this one in particular because I really liked the shape that it made. I'm super into like hexagonal bags and more cylindrical, like weird fun shapes, you know? You can attach this so that it becomes like a side bag, or you can use it like a handbag. And then it also has these buttons on the side that you can pop open, and that changes the shape of the bag too. Also, you can fit more things. But yeah, I have a bunch of stuff that I got from Sprinkle and I just have it all in this bag, so we'll go over the haul as well. Here's some fits that I have with the bag.
Alright, so full disclaimer, I don't have a lot of footage for Sprinkle just because I was living in the moment and just really enjoying my time with my friends. So there won't be a lot of footage, but I will try to share all the pictures that I do have. For some context, I am a full-time artist. 30% of my income does come from events, and I'll go to an event maybe every other month, sometimes monthly. It just depends on what's available and what events have accepted me. 10% of my income is from client work and Patreon, and then 60% of it is from my online store. So Sprinkle is an out-of-state event for me. I flew from Seattle to Texas to go to this show. A breakdown of the expenses that cost me to go to this event is for the hotel, I split it with 3 other people. That cost $117. The flight I actually booked with points, so it didn't cost me anything. Is that true? I don't know, girl math. If you were to convert it to dollars, that cost me $216. Sending 3 boxes of merch over there cost me a total of $100. There wasn't too much transportation costs just because the hotel itself was right next to the venue, so we could just walk over. But the Uber from the airport to the hotel and back was a total of $60. This event was only 2 days, but we spent 3 nights there, so it cost about $50 per day for food, and that's actually for 2 people, which is pretty good. The venue was in a mall, and it had this really good food court and also a grocery store next by, so food itself was really cheap for this event. In total for the weekend, I spent $591, which is pretty good for a 2-day event. In terms of how much money I made a total of $6,270, which is pretty good considering the amount that I spent to go to this event. But with that said, and this is the math that you'll have to do on your own, just because I don't think it's safe for my business to reveal everything. On top of all the earnings, there is a 8.25% tax that is due to the city of Dallas and Texas. tax is different for every state and city you go to, so definitely check it out depending on the area that you're going to be selling in. I also think the amount that I made could have been a bit higher just because I didn't bring enough inventory. I thought Sprinkle was going to be a much smaller event. I only brought 3 boxes. 2 of them was mostly merch and the other one was my displays, so that's not really merch. The things I brought were stickers, apparel, hats, aprons, hair clips, plushies, keychains, keycaps, sketchbooks, prints, and washi tape. And I know that sounds like a lot of things, but in retrospect, I only brought like a few of each item. So maybe like 3 of each size shirt that I have, or only like 20 plushies. I usually bring way much more merch, so I actually sold out a lot of these things by the end of the first day. So with that said, I made this much amount, but in a way I also didn't make a certain amount because I didn't bring enough merch. All of this is to say, this was a pretty good event for me, considering that I thought it was going to be chill, and I also really enjoyed hanging out with all of my friends. Would I do Sprinkle Trinkle again? Yes, if they accepted me. I hope you guys are enjoying all the clips that I'm sharing because none of these are from the event, but they were post the event where we all just hung out together, drawing, and yeah, shenanigans. Anyways, haul time. Again, thank you so much Teddy Blake for sending me this beautiful bag. Their bags use premium Italian leather. It's luxurious but doesn't have the high-end prices that you might expect, so you can still enjoy a quality bag for a really fair price. I do recommend their brand just because it's high quality, the attention to detail, and the durability is really great. Use the link in my description to check out their other bags and also the code TBPQR10 for an extra 10% off. Alright, so here is the Sprinkle haul. A few of these are trades, so I traded some of my artwork with other artists. A majority is I bought a bajillion things. Some artists did drop things off at my table and I didn't get a chance to get their names, so I'll do my best to tag everybody, but if there is someone that I didn't tag or missed and you know them, let me know. Or if there's an artist you're interested in that I didn't list, I can try to figure it out for you. Okay, I tried to organize everything best I could. So I got this palette ceramic piece. This is the artist's name. And I started doing more traditional art, so I felt like this was something that I would actually use now that I'm painting again. So some of these I think Foam picked up. So this one, don't know the artist off the top of my head, but I will tag them. I believe this is a graphic designer / illustrator. This one Foam also picked up. I really like their colors. I believe these are also their stickers. The colors are so fun. I asked him to pick me up this one. Legend of Zelda is probably my favorite Nintendo game. This is such cute packaging. I don't know if Foam picked it up or if they dropped it off. That's so cute. Okay, looks like this is their handle. Oh, wait, there's another handle. Okay, maybe this was like a stamp rally prize. Near the end of the event, a lot of artists were going around giving each other their stamp rally prizes, so this might be one of those. Here are 2 zines that I picked up from Olivia. I think their handle is here. Yeah, here's their handle. I just loved how whimsical and simple these little zine sketches looked. I like that it feels kind of raw. This one is a fun sketchbook collection. This one is like a photo series, I believe. I love the mixture of multimedia in this one. Here are some patches. Don't know this artist off the top of my head. I believe they dropped off these patches, so if I find their handle, it'll be here. I'm a big fan of Source's work. I actually followed them online for the longest time, but this was my first time meeting them. So we traded some stickers. Look how cute these are. The holo is so good. And then Foam is a big Doraemon fan, so of course all the Doraemon things. I'm definitely gonna have to use this notepad. And then here's a really cute coaster. They have an original character that's based off of the Tasmanian Devil. cute. I'm gonna have to leave this at my desk. Here is another Stamp Rally collection. So there's a lot of artists here. All of their names are tagged. V Tellier is actually someone that I collabed with in the past. We made a series of sweaters together and she's just a really talented illustrator. Here's another Stamp Rally sticker sheet that another group of artists did. This one is dog themed, so cute. And then this is actually the Stamp Rally prize that my friends and I did. We hosted like a stamp rally. So basically you go around and you collect stamps, and then once you collect all of them, you get this prize. And it's all of our mascots, but then we did it in clay. Okay, this is another Stamp Rally prize collection. This artist, I can pull up their name for you guys. And we got some stickers from her. Look at these bubble stickers. So cool. And then a really cute postcard with original characters. I always ask artists to sign my prints. Okay, this is going straight into my sticker bin. This is from Sinister Squids. They specialize in making cubed illustrations. I got the entire Pokemon collection because Pokemon, you know? They packaged everything by hand, which I thought was so crazy. Actually, you can see all of them here. And then next to Sinister Squid was Kuru731. I love Kuru's work because it's very illustrative, but also very graphic design. And I like how they make use of the spacing within sticker sheets. I love that Kuru actually designs the background as well and thinks about the layout for where the stickers are gonna go. And yeah, here's a hollow sticker sheet from them. This one is from Medium Mushroom. They had a lot of like nostalgic 90s kids illustrations. So I got this one. I remember having this book growing up and they made like cute versions of each nostalgic thing on their booth, which I thought was really cool. So I got this sticker. And then this artist, I really love their Riso prints. It feels very traditional, like it feels very colored pencil, and I love the colors. Here's one in Hillian. Their color usage is also very fun. Thank you, Nee. I love these mini little postcards. And then here's a acrylic charm that they made. This one is from Kitty Couch. Yeah, this one's funny. And then I thought this was really cool. It feels very mixed media. I think I'm just into mixed media things. This is from Alistar. It's a t-shirt. Actually, I think these stickers are from the same ceramic artist. I think this is the same artist, actually, now that I'm remembering again. I don't remember where we got this. Somebody gave this to us. It's like a little ribbon, really cute. And then this is from Sansan Studio. So I got these two because they look like Bao and Nori. I got this for my sister. I hope you like it. Paloma the Peach. I didn't know that they were on YouTube, but recently I discovered their channel and they were at the event as well. I also didn't know they were a Texas artist. Look at their little trading card. Okay, something that is really cool about Sprinkle and unique is that each artist got a trading card. We customized our own trading cards and we basically went around and traded all our cards with people. So that was like one of the highlights for attending, oops, a little patch, attending Sprinkle. This is the card that I designed. The theme was nightmare. So I did like a little shibby having a nightmare. And then Fam's card is like a complimentary version of mine. So there should be, and then there's all the little, he has a devil character named Dandy. And so if you notice, my card also has the devil card. We collected a bunch of cards from other artists. I think that was one of the highlights for attending the event. I got this sticker from them, and I also got this washi tape. It's kind of like translucent looking. I'm really excited to use it. Here's a pin and a sticker that I got from this artist. I just love how whimsical they look. I also got a bunch of things from Ben Kipo. Here is a doodle board zine where it has like all of their illustrations. They're very into collaging, which I also love doing, so wanted to get this for inspo. Here's a sticker. Another sticker of his original character and another sticker sheet. These are going straight into the sticker bin so I can use them. A long print. It got kind of banged up in transport, but I'm gonna find it a really nice frame and then have it nicely on my wall. Okay, I love collecting mascot things just because I think it's cool that as artists, we can just make things, like things can just exist because we said so. So here are two mascots from Jenny Illustrations. It's actually her and her hubby. It's so cute. And they're so soft. Look at the little buns. These are from Rainy. I believe they're called Apollo. I don't know what they are, but it's giving alien. This is also from Sorsor. And then this is from their partner. Here's their handle. Can you see the resemblance? This keychain is actually from Paprika. Here is a hair clip from Nico Mode. I love the colors. This is a zine that Foam and Icky Girl Art made. They've spent a long time working on this, but they drew a bunch of monsters and then added it into the zine. And here are some full prints from the zine from Icky. So cool. I think I'm gonna put one of these in this very room. This is a reusable bag that I got from Medium Mushroom, and I just liked the material a lot. It felt very soft but sturdy, and it's not one of those like foldable bags that can fold into itself, but I mean, you can pretty much fold it. It's really nice. Here are some stickers from Camillity, and they do cute pet portraits and a lot of sticker sheets. Look at this wiener dog. Okay, anyways, that was the haul. Really big haul. These were the cute lanyards that Tabatai and Uni designed, and every artist got one. They're so cute. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the insight into the behind the scenes of being a vendor artist. I hope you liked my haul and the random vlog with a bunch of us drawing. I'll see you guys next time. I hope to post more videos every Monday, so see you then. Like, sub, and sub and comment. Thank you. Bye.
Hi! If you made it this far into the video, I wanted to let you guys know I've decided on the dates for when my sketchbooks will launch. I'll also have new hats, I'll have hair clips, I'll have sticky notes, and then I'll have all my usual stuff too. Save the date, and for patrons, of course, you guys always get early access. I'm in Hawaii as I'm filming this for KawaiiCon, so that's another event I'm going to. I think when this video publishes, I'm actually still going to be in Hawaii. Okay, bye for real.